So the seaweed in spiral, just to practice this for our archetypal postures in oscillation, we're going to drop into the right sits bone. We roll forward in that right hip like we're taking a step. It's going to turn our sternum rather to the left. We fall into left hip. Left hip rolls forward, right hip rolls back, and we fall spiraling to the right. So we're just making this sort of figure 8 motion in the pelvis and the sternum, okay? So as we go to do this in the first, always in the seiza, you're gonna feel yourself cradling, the heels are cradling the butt. We push off a knee, we push off a knee. We push off, we spiral and fall. We push off, we spiral and fall. And all we're doing is we're just checking, is that slow? Is that soft? Is it smooth? If there are any stutters, it's a chance for us to slow that down a little bit. Inhale, exhale, soften, collapse the face, collapse the chest, and just let the body hang into it a little bit. As my teacher would say, and as this Instagram account is named after, she would say this has to have the monkey body, okay? So it's really about softening the pelvis. You'll get a little bit of a tuck in the tail. You soften the sternum in order for the two keystones to resonate with one another. And we just let the body, we let the monkey kind of undulate. Pushing off, spiral, catch, push off, spiral, and catch. So we're just pushing off and catching through all of the archetypal postures.